What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel today. You know the deal. Working on the old Toyota. So, I'm going to get you posted up in here. Maybe do some time lapses. I'm going to hook up this switch down here if you don't remember. And we're going to hook it up into there. And yeah, I got some gauges, so maybe we'll put the dash up in here and hook those all up. So, I'm going to get you set up and enjoy the show. We got the wiring all done. I'll just tuck you up in there so you can see. Yeah, everything's hooked up from the switch, see? Looking good. Also, bam, got the gauges in there. We got boost, fuel, RPM, speed, oil pressure, water temp, and volts. Major components of everything that I should need, so I'm excited. We're just moving right along here, so getting there. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, you know the deal.